In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let's get started. First, go to the top menu in Google Docs and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Table, then create a simple 2x1 table. This will give you two side-by-side boxes. These boxes will act as containers for the actual tables you want to place next to each other. Now place your cursor in the first box. Go back to Insert, choose Table, and select the size you want. For example, a 5x3 table. You'll now see that table inside the first box. Next, click inside the second box. Go to Insert again, select Table, and choose the size you need for the second table. Once both tables are in place, it's time to hide the borders of the outer container table so only your two inner tables are visible. To do this, right-click on the outer table, select Table Properties. Then open the Color section. Set the table border width to 0p. This will make the outer borders disappear, leaving you with two clean tables sitting side by side. And that's it. You've just created two tables next to each other in Google Docs. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching.